Yeah, how are you? So anyway, I am on my way to a client's home. She's also a friend of mine, but I've been helping her for a couple of weeks of doing her renovations. She's literally doing a complete house renovation, like everything's been started all over again. It's really exciting, but I can understand it must be quite stressful as well, and there's been some food bleeps along the way, so things have been delayed. Today there's a carpenter that's going to come into the house to kind of talk through her walk-in wardrobe, so she wants me there to kind of like give some guidance and help her with the design. So yeah, I'm off there now, so that's gonna be that. I'm going there quickly, and then after that try and make the most of the day. I'm gonna do movie night because I've been so busy working today that to go out right now is long. I don't want to go out. I just want to chill. I just want soft life. Oh, that looks good. And I like the way they've put the wooden thing at the top as well. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, but it's practically done.
So this is the design, yeah? So what I'm saying is put these lights about here. One here, one there. On the pull your hair dryer or anything like that, you just plug in straight in there.
Yeah, I guess so.
It's easier. You can get one socket there, one there. Two sockets rather than one.
Yeah, two, yeah.
Yeah, and if you get, one of the, for example.
Alright, so today I'm going to a event. It's funny actually, if you go back in my videos, I went to the same event, but we did like the spring summer collection, and today they're going to be showcasing the winter collection. But you'll see when I get there what this is all about, who I'm talking about. But yeah, it should be really good. I didn't get to do an outfit of the day because I was rushing as usual. But yeah, I'm wearing a bit of silver. Got my favourite silver bag from Zara, silver glasses, and I tried to make the outfit a bit edgy by wearing some chains, you can see there. But yeah, and then I've got my new hairdo. So yeah, looking hopefully quite trendy. But yeah, I don't even know where I'm going, so I need to look at my phone now and check. I always do this. It's really bad.
Change here for Bakerloo Line and National Rail services. Upon arrival, the last set of doors will not open.
So over an hour of travelling, I'm finally here. I just need to find out exactly where I'm going. I think it's about a 3-minute walk, so not that far. So yeah, it's starting to warm up. It's a bit sunny as well. I might go to Soho House to have a little browse. So let's see if I'm able to do that, depending on the amount of time I spend here. Yeah, that'll be nice. Kill 2 birds with one stone. Hi, how are you?
You're down the bed?
Yeah.
Yeah, can I take your name, please?
It's Abigail. Abigail, yeah.
Influencer?
It's like unless you want to drop to 3 days.
Yeah, lamp for example. It actually comes in this natural wood. It's then been painted with some of the like done out range, and I did like the little tassels, just to really personalise it and make it your own. But yeah, it's a beautiful range. A lot of this is sort of that.
collection here is really, really nice. I've shown you a few pieces. I've got some favourites. This sofa that I'm sitting on right now is definitely a really popular range. I particularly don't really like cordial material, but the shape of the sofa is so nice. And this sheepskin rug, it's definitely giving bougie on a budget, because the price is just, yeah, you can't go wrong with that now. Really, really high end, like they're really intentional about their style, and it does replicate like loads of high end furniture pieces, like this boucle chair behind which I'm going to show you. This is so nice. It's a rocking chair as well. So yeah, you could actually use it as a nursing chair if you wanted to. You want it to be really bougie, but the boucle is nice. Really nice. Obviously it's winter themed, so a lot of like Christmas decor as well. I don't celebrate Christmas, but I can appreciate the decorations. And yeah, even in the winter I like to do a little bit of like wintry styling in my house, which you'll probably see. But yeah, alright, let's go on to the next thing.
I can't help feeling we could have had it all, rotten in the deep. You had my heart inside, yeah, but you played it with a beating,
Today I am literally bod builder. Don't usually do this for clients. This is a special, I don't even know how to explain it, but maybe I might be able to do it, you know, if you give me a good price. But yeah, I'm doing paneling today for special measures for my younger sister. So I'm going to be doing paneling on this wall here. Just a very simple one, just going to have 3 squares so that she can put some artwork in the middle of it, and then maybe like an overhead picture light. That's the plan. Yeah, you know I don't usually like doing paneling, but I also enjoy it as well. It's like a love-hate relationship I have with paneling. So yeah, I went to B&Q first. I'll just show you. So I've taken so many wood panel out, not because I want to have fun, but because when you take these, you need to make sure that they're actually straight. So if I show you this one, I don't know if you can see in the camera. Can you see that bend at the end? Yeah, and that's when you have problems trying to stick it to the wall because it won't stay flush. And if, I don't know if you can see up there, there's like a hole. So yeah, they're never imperfect. So always take them out and double check. Don't just pick them up. So yeah, I've got 5 perfect ones here for the job today. Yeah, so she wants to have this wall black, or we're going for like a really, really dark navy blue, which I've got. I've got paint from Coat, so we're gonna apply that and see how that looks. Her style in this kitchen is quite modern, contemporary. There's like, if you can see, black marble with gold legs on this table here. And then this light, which is really nice, gives that kind of very modern glam touch. People always don't like it when I say glam because they think glitzy, but this is glam.
See all the little good things you do, they make me know. Oh no, no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come pull us up. I want you to make me there. Pull us up. Girl, I want making you pull us up. I feel like making you pull us up.
I've been busy, so I've been recording. So I just stuffed my mouth with some chicken. But yeah, almost done. Just got to do that top bit. Took about an hour and a half. You like it, yeah?
That's exactly what I needed, yeah. I can imagine now with the paint, yeah, it's gonna look really rich. I love it.
Regal, that's the word that we like to use.
Okay, I don't know what that means, but yeah. Oh,
Bougie
no, I'm so
on a
happy,
budget.
thank you.
Yeah. So she's gonna paint the wall at some point, and yeah, I'll come back and I'll show you guys how it's looking. Yeah, it's gonna look nice. Hey, so this is another day. Dressed up a little bit because I'm gonna do some content today. Yeah, it's been a busy one. So I've had breakfast this morning, obviously, sorted myself out, done all the little emails and stuff like that I need to do. I've actually got a PR package I'm gonna open in front of you guys. I don't even know where it is. Let's go and have a look. Yes, and as I said, it's from Personal, so I got one of their bottles, which I cannot wait to try out, from their new range. So yeah, this is going to be really good. They also sent me a diffuser,